Tell me, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm also fine.
Everything is good. How nice. How fine.
Robo, are you ready?
Loaded the success code. Let's start.
Hey, I see you. I watch
Me
at it.
too. I have a camera and I can see you.
I know, I know.
Today is Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026. The time is 13:56.
Robo, what is the local weather? The forecast.
The weather in Athens is 2 clouds. The temperature is 15 degrees Celsius and it feels like 15 degrees.
A joke. Tell us a joke.
Why did the computer go to the dentist? Because it had a Bluetooth.
An iron I created.
I hear few things, but the soldering iron is one of them.
Hey, where are my keys?
Don't tell me you lost your keys again.
Yes, I lost it.
My CPU probably took a little break. Find and bring it to me your glasses.
Ah, that's easy. My glasses.
Hurry up, time is running out. Let me see what you brought me.
Nice.
Great. Find and bring got it.
Keys.
Let me see what you brought me.
That's good. Nice.
Great, you got it.